Hi guys, today it's Jocelyn and I'm going to be doing another video with my sister. As you know, I have been doing a few videos with my sister. So we got a few more lights in here than the usual ones. So we're going to be doing Earthquake Blindfolded Challenge. And I'm going to see if I can stay on my sister. But we'll show you how it's going to be done. So she's going to get a hair tie that she can't see through. I'm going to go show you guys it. It's really dark all the way. Kendall. Sorry guys. I'm trying to find her. Kendall. Okay, I got a hat. Okay, well, my sister got a hat instead. So, let's try to do this challenge. She can't look. Yeah. And just for extra, we're going to put a blanket over her. If that won't work. Okay, Kendall. We also put a blanket over just for extra in case I bang her head down. And this is also on my bed so that it's actually like... Kendall, I'm going to move your phone onto my desk. Okay. Kendall!
I can't see. It's hard for me to breathe with it.
Okay. 1, 2, here.
Oh man.
Kendall, tell me if I'm over your head.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Hang on. Now I am. Okay, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I did try to stay on. I'm sorry. Oh! I lost. The camera kind of fell.
I know that.
I'm sorry, you guys.